Okay, so the week's finished. I'm finished trading. I close out at 5 o'clock. All the trades that I've in. I'm just going to go over the higher time frame levels and all the trades given out this week and how they performed. So we had dollar CAD, we had CAD yen, we had dollar Swiss, and we had dollar yen. So let's just crack on with it, and so we can get on and enjoy our weekend. So weekly level, higher time frame level, we had this swing point and this level of support and resistance. We had this swing and deviation. Once it got back above this level, we got a strong bullish push. So basically, once price was screaming down into this level, I like to trade reversals. So I like to catch reversals. For me, are you catch the bigger moves because they catch people out and they're going to do a lot of damage very quickly. So if we just go down to the lower time frames, it was actually the previous week I was trying to long this. If you've been following the videos for a while, I was trying to long this last week, but I was looking for a break above these highs, so that Monday, so I was looking something like that, but we didn't get it. So we just grinded lower into the next week, kept an eye on it. This, if I put, just insert, just to make this colourful so you can see it. So this is Monday's high and that higher time frame level sort of overlapping a little bit in confluence. So once we broke above this Monday's high, saying you can get long there and hold to Friday 5 p.m, which is here. A lot of chop to get through, but that's the way it goes. I just take what the market is willing to give me. Yes, we went higher. We could have exited up here, or we could have but that's not, you're never going to be able to do that unless it's by chance or by luck. We don't know if this is going to continue higher or if it's going to do a complete reversal. I just take what the market gives me, and very pleased with this trade. 68 pips almost. So yeah, it was a nice little trade. And very simple, higher time frame level on this range, but it's just implementing it and knowing when and when not to do it. It's quite simple, but that's how I trade. Keep it simple. Okay, moving on to dollar Swiss. We had these monthly levels that we're looking at. So once we broke above a monthly high, sold off, monthly high, sold off, etc. This is where I was getting my bearish bias. If we just go to the daily, you can see it a lot clearer. This level here, monthly high, took it, reversal, monthly high, take, reversal, monthly high, reversal, and then we get this break in market structure. Let me just, so clear break in market structure. So we get a push and then another push, and then we're looking for that continuation down. So let's just look at the H1. You can see this bullish sort of price action, this trend coming up into these levels, and as you know, we play reversals. So we were just looking for a breakdown of that. We have Mondays, previous Mondays, so a couple of Mondays ago, acting as confluence. You can see the support and resistance, and then early on Tuesday we get this bounce here, which adds more confluence. So if we break back below that, get a retest, so that should give you the confidence to short, which we did. We got out here for around 87 pips. Nice little trade that, although we had to sit through a lot, but that's why I walk away from the screens. If I had closed my trade here or moved my stop to break even, could have been taken out. If I seen this, which was a big bullish candle at a stage, if I had seen that and just got out of that trade, I'd be pretty gutted that I missed all this. So in my mind, when I placed a trade, I was ready accepting the fact if I was wrong, I was wrong, but I did not want to go off my plan, and my plan is to hold trades and take what the market gives me, and the market was quite good to me this week. So that's basic simple rules. But we'll move on to CAD yen, which is making a bit of a pullback now, but simple yet again, simplicity of it all. Weekly swing high. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like to trade these swing points, and at the start of the week I was saying Don't be fooled by this move up above this. See this daily close? People will be getting long. Don't be fooled by that. Look for the reversal of that. What do we like to see? Well, this is the weekly level. We have Monday's level below it. We did not want to see it breaking above Monday's mid-range, which is around here. Once it broke below, I'm selling here. I was getting out at 5, which is here, 80 odd pips, 81. So although we did pull back a little bit on Friday, that's fine. I totally live with that. Not many people catching these moves in the first place. And you could take off some here, people take some off here, but that's just capping profit potential. Just let it run. And why I'm so comfortable letting these trades run is because I'm trading reversals, and reversals happen quick and they trap a lot of people, and they shouldn't really come back if you get in at the right place at the right time. So it's really down to finding them levels. So another great trade, very happy with that, and played out quite nicely. Well done to anyone that got on board. And yeah, not much else to say in that. It's just a weekly higher time frame level, swing point, and then look for the reversal, look for the breakdown, basic break and market structure, and then there we go. So happy days with that. The last one was dollar yen, if I can find you. Not as good as the others, but we take it anyway. The level that we were looking at the start of the week, let me clear this all off. Excuse me. Let me just make that a little bit thicker. So that's the level. Support and resistance, basic level. Resistance. We have a little daily swing point here up into resistance, which is perfect. It looks like it's breaking above, but we are waiting on the other side of that for a breakdown. You can look for Monday's low, act as support and resistance. We broke below that, didn't really come up that far, didn't really go into much drawdown there, and got out at 5, which is here, for 44 odd pips, and looks to be making a bit of a comeback here now, but pretty pleased with that. Didn't catch the full move, but caught most of it, caught a brave chunk of it, so pretty happy with that. And yeah, that's basically it. Higher time frame levels, look for that breakdown, look for the reversals. I wish I could show you some of the mechanical trades we took this week, because it was a bit mad, but I'll put out a review of that as well. But yeah, been a good week. Good to talk to other traders as well. A few people hit me up in DMs and email me about trading, so it's good to talk to people about trading, and it's good to get that interaction as well. So pretty pleased about putting out these videos. If they're helping somebody, if they don't help you, then you don't have to watch them. But yeah, wishing you all the best, having a good weekend, and yeah, we'll go at it again next week.